So here's the building I'm staying in, the Dorado. And there's free parking or guest parking right here, right outside. Here I am at the Garland Hotel, room 610. Let me give you a little room tour here. So as you first walk in, there's a bench. Put your stuff, which is nice big mirror. A couple of hooks there. Here's the bathroom. No bathtub, which is always sad for me, but decent bathroom. Let's see, there's the hairdryer. So they do have a hairdryer. And what do they got? We've got soap, vanity kit, and moisturizer, some more soap. Let's see what the shower has. They've got the handle over here, which is always nice, so you don't have to get wet. There's the shower head for you, and they've got these products in the shower attached to the wall. Okay, here we go. So, here's the room. Get ready. Look, that's fun. When you first open the closet, it's like all the flash bulbs are going off on you. Paparazzi's watching. So that's a fun Hollywood touch there for you. We got a huge TV. And here they have a fridge that comes with a few pricey water bottles and some wine. Got a couple drawers. Let's see, over here, what's this deal? Place to plug stuff in. Looks like they do room service. There's the red wine, and they do have a Keurig coffee maker, and they provide some, what do you call them? Coffee, whatever those things are. Okay, here's the bed. This is a king pool view room. So open this up, check out that pool view. Uh-oh. The door came off the hinge. Well, that's not good. When I tried to open the door, it came off. I'm gonna have to call the desk. Anyway, if I could get out there, there is a pool view. It's kind of loud, lots of traffic noise out there. So this happens pretty frequently?
Yeah, you'd be surprised.
Really? Okay, the maintenance guy was just here and he showed me how to open the door. So when I read that, I thought I needed to turn the handle all the way up, but that pops it off of its track. So you just pull it to that position, and then you pull it towards you, and it's not working. Let's see. Why isn't it working? Oh my God. Okay, there we go. I had to pull really hard and evenly. The whole door needs to come out a couple of inches, maybe 2 inches, and then you can open it. I'm gonna be all stressed out about opening the door each time. Okay, so I have these little chairs and a table. Here's the view. That's the main lobby right there. That's the entrance where you come in. Actually, there's the restaurant. And there we have the pool. So, fire pit, 2 hot tubs. Looks nice. Let's see if I can close the door now. Okay, so to push, to close, push the whole thing. Push the whole thing in and then turn the handle down to lock it. I did it. So here's the closet again. I didn't mention this, but there's the safe, which is a nice big size. You could easily fit your couple laptops in there. And then there's a luggage rack in there, which I just took out and put here because the closet's not big enough to have it in the closet. So, you know, I'm gonna have to have my luggage sitting right there by the bed, which is not ideal. I mean, I guess I could put it on this bench, but I don't really want that either. And I have a pretty small suitcase. So that's a little bit disappointing. I have to say, I was like coughing. Oh my gosh, this typical. Why didn't they get me water bottles for? I gotta say, I was taking a look at this some more, and I do like how it has this little rounded part of the table sticking out. So you could, if you got room service and had 2 people, you know, easily put the chairs there, and you actually have a table, which a lot of times is not available in a hotel when you get room service. So that's something good. All right, here's the gym. Nice and empty at 6 o'clock on a Saturday night or so. Pretty nice setup. Headphones.
Electricity, they should feed the bucket.
Money pool.
Why my light is coming on for the video.
Classic Los Angeles angel rings.
Oh, go stand there, Anna.
They're very tall.
They are really tall. Aww.
Flashes on.
Oh, that's fun. What's that one?
Uplift.
I like that. Looks like they got cute. There's the 101, as they say in LA.
It's not working.
See, after cold coffee, not working. Here we are at 8 a.m. Sunday morning. Already got people staking out some spots at the pool. And good old 101 is loud. But the windows, sliding glass door, was double pane, so it was really good at sound cancellation. Okay, we're coming to you here live. Guess where we are?
Guess where we are? Why is it so close?
I don't know. How do I turn it around? Look! Ah! It's the Brady Bunch house. Okay, you guys, everyone sing the song. Come on. Here's the story of a man named Brady.
You should be like right next to it. Just saying.